Hello guys, welcome to the 21st video of the DBMS question series. So today we are going to discuss about this question set. So in earlier videos we have discussed about the question in advanced way. If you haven't watched any videos yet, go check my channel and get an idea about the questions we have discussed in previous videos. So our first question is, what is the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject? Okay, now we have to find the highest mark in the first term where the subject is mathematics. Okay, now I have create this query here. In here I have used select, then I have used max function here because I have to find the highest mark. Therefore I have to use the max function here. In here I have selected the mark column from the student exam mark record table. Then I have used this condition where in the student exam mark record, in the term ID column, I have select the term ID column from the subquery. I have select the term ID from the exam term table where the term name is first name. Then again I have connect another condition using the AND phrase. Here I have select the subject ID from the student mark record, where here I have select the subject ID from the subject table where the condition is subject name is mathematics. Okay, here I have select the subject name mathematics and I have select the term name first term. Then I have get the maximum mark which I have obtained. Here is my result. Okay, our next question is, what is the highest mark obtained in the second term science subject? Okay, as same as the previous question, I have to change the term name and the subject name. Here I have changed the term name to second name and subject name to science here. Here you can get the result here. This is the same query which I have used in the previous question, but here the term name and the subject name is different. Okay, now my third question is, what is the highest mark obtained by the student for all the subjects in the second term? Okay, now same as this question, here again I have to use the select query. Here I have used the max function, then I have select the mark column, and here I have used the condition where the term ID in the exam term table equals first term. Here simple, I have select all the marks from the student mark exam record where the term name is first name, and from that result I have get the highest mark using the max function. Here you can see my result here. Okay, our next question is, which subject got the highest mark in the second term? Okay, in the third question we have get the highest mark, so we have to find which subject is the highest mark. So again we can use the same query. In here I have select the subject name from the subject table. Then in the condition I have checked the subject ID in the student mark record, where here I have paste the previous query after this in phrase here. Then here is my result. As you can see, science is my subject name. Here if you check in the query number 4, I have copied this query and I have pasted that query in here. As you can see, here I have used some wordings here. As you can see, I have select subject name from the subject because I need the subject name as my result. So in here in the condition I have used the subject ID should be the subject ID in the student mark record. In here I have used the condition as the previous query. Okay, in the fifth question, find the details of the student who got the highest mark in the second term. Okay, here I have select all the data from the student table. Then I have joined the class table and the student table using this phrase. As you can see, I have joined student.class class ID to the class ID in the class table. Then I have used this condition where the student dot index number, where that means in the student table in the index number column. Then I have select student index number from the student exam mark record table, where the condition is this. Then again I have used a subquery to get the subject ID. In the subject ID again I have used the max function because I need the highest mark in the first term. Then I have joined all these queries using the subqueries and I have get all the details which I wanted. Okay, in my last question, find the details of the student who got the highest marks in mathematics in the first term examination and the class in which he is studying. Okay, as same as the fifth question, again I have used the same query here, but in here I have add another select query to select the subject name as mathematics here. Here you can see I have get all the details. Here you can see my class name. If you want to select only the class name, then you have to write here select class dot class name. Then you have to execute the query. As you can see, now you can get only the class name. In here they are asking only the class, so we have to update this query as here. Here I have select the class name from the class. In here I have inner join the class table to the student table using this phrase here. As you can see, I have select the class ID from the student table. Then I have joined the class ID to the class ID in the class table here. Okay, now we have completed our question. Therefore this will be the end of my video. Thank you, and don't forget to watch previous questions videos to get an idea about the question series. So thank you.